Good morning, students. I am Mrs. Karuna Daive from Gokhale Education Society's JDC Vitco English Medium High School. I am going to post some videos of Maharashtra State Board for English medium students. My subject is Maths Standard 8. Hello, students. Today we are going to start 8th Standard Maths. This is the cover page image of our textbook. Let's move towards our first unit, that is rational and irrational numbers. Now, before going to move towards our main content, let's we recall our previous knowledge regarding the topic numbers. Students, we are aware with the three most important concepts regarding the numbers. First one, natural numbers, second, whole numbers, and third one, which is integers. Natural numbers, it means what? It is the counting of the number which we starts from the 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can continue it unlimitedly. This set of the number is called as the natural numbers. Here, when we start counting the numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can continue it, then that set of the number which is called as a whole numbers. Now third one is integers. Integers, if we will look towards this digits, then we can able to remember our number line. At the left side of the number line, there are all negative numbers. At the center, there is 0. And at the right side of the 0, there are all the positive numbers. So this negative numbers, positive numbers and 0 are combinedly called as integers. Now, in this standards, we are going to study about the rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers. So, 0 or any positive number or any negative number or any fractional number where the negative symbol is on a numerator place or it is on a denominator place. In all these cases, these numbers are called as a rational numbers. But only when the denominator place is having the 0. In this type of the situation, then that number will not be considered as a rational numbers. So if you will move towards the definition, then it will be clear to you very properly. See here now, this is the definition of rational numbers. The numbers of the form m upon n are called rational numbers. Here m and n are integers. It means they might be positive, they might be negative, they may be 0. But n, it means the denominator place is not the 0. That means in case of any number, if I have written the fractional number 3 upon 4, then it is a rational number. If I put the negative symbol to the denominator, that is negative 3 upon 4, it also a rational number. If I will put the negative symbol towards the denominator place, then also it is a rational number. But if the number is 3 upon 0, then this will not be a rational number. Another most important concept regarding the rational number, that is, there are infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. That means suppose there are two rational numbers, that is 1 upon 3 and another number is 2 upon 3. Between these two rational numbers, there are many rational numbers can become in between these two numbers. So students, this is the definition of rational numbers that you have to write in your classwork notebook. There is an example of number line. This is one of the number line is drawn by me. Here question is there. Show the following numbers on number line. Suppose first of all, there is a blank number line is drawn here. Here at first we have to show the negative 2. Here this is the negative 2. This negative 2 is will be shown like this way here, negative 2. How we can able to show the positive 2 on number line? This will be a 1, positive 1, positive 2. This will be shown as a second answer. It means the positive 2. If we want to third question is there, that is 4.5. Here symbol is not mentioned. It means it will be the positive 1. So how we can able to show the positive 4.5? 0, At the right side of the 0, we can able to see it positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4. After the positive 4 and the positive 5, there are 10 lines. Among that 10 lines, the fifth one is the greater line as compared to other one. So this is indicated as our third answer, that is positive 4.5. Always remember, the counting numbers are known as natural numbers. The counting numbers along with 0 are known as whole numbers. All the natural numbers are whole numbers, but all the whole numbers are not natural numbers. The collection of all positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0 are called integers. The number of the form m upon n are called rational numbers. Here m and n are integers, but n is not 0. The actual content, that is practice set number 1.1, will be continued in next video. Thank you.